Hey, Mikey, what are you doing?
Mikey, you're scaring me. What are you doing?
There's this annoying beeping sound and I don't know where it's coming from.
Mikey, what beeping sound? Are you losing it?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, it kind of sounded like... Mikey! It's the fire detector.
You're right, Nick. How do I turn off the beeping?
I don't know. Jump?
Ugh, Nick, it's not working.
I don't know, Mikey. Use this guitar.
All right. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like?
No, Mikey, use the guitar to hit it down.
Oh, all right.
Good job, Mikey. The beeping stopped.
Well, yeah, because I broke it.
That's good. Mikey, do I smell burning? Mikey, the microwave's on fire!
What do you mean the microwave's on fire? No, it's not.
What do you mean it's on fire right now?
Well, I don't hear the smoke detector, so there isn't a fire. Goodbye.
Mikey!